So Hulu has a new viral feature where they are introducing Shareplay. So Shareplay, you can now watch content from the Hulu with friends and family over FaceTime. So that's a new cool feature. SharePlay was introduced a while ago in the new updated version of FaceTime. So here, if you just create a link and just create a new FaceTime meeting, you can a lot of apps there, including Hulu. So let's just explore that. So Hulu SharePlay, because I didn't use SharePlay a lot in our FaceTime calls. So there you have it. To use the feature on Hulu, a FaceTime call participant will launch the Hulu app and tap Share button followed by the SharePlay option. This launches the SharePlay experience where others on the FaceTime call could watch the same content in sync with their family and friends. They were also Hulu subscribers. So yeah, you need to update to the latest version of iOS 15. And then there are other apps which you can use with SharePlay, like TikTok, Twitch, NBA, Paramount Plus, Showtime, and all of that. So it's an interesting feature, so definitely give it a try. Update to iOS 15, update to the latest Hulu app, subscribe, and check it out. Of course, you can watch movies over just Facebook Messenger or Messenger app. You can use Rave to watch some of the channels. There are a bunch of other apps you can watch together over Zoom, of course, or Google Meet, but maybe it's just easier if you're using iPhone. FaceTime maybe is one of the best options.